Hey guys, this is Sabir. Welcome to another tutorial. This time I will try my best to explain UVW unwrapping. In the short term, UVW is flattening 3D object in 2D plane. This 2D plane will help us texture the item easily. The first rule is to specify some mark in the object, which will be used as cutting mark. To UVW an object, we must cut specific part of the object to unwrap it. Let's understand the concept using real object. Here I have an origami plane. Imagine we want to unwrap it. If we are going to transform this 3D object into 2D object, we must decide to cut some specific parts. Here we have a piece and we can cut it again, but the practical solution will be to unfold it simply. In 3D, try to follow this rule too. Make the sim simple and do not overwork on your object. Here I am arranging all the pieces. Notice that when I am arranging, I am trying to maintain some space between elements. Follow this rule in 3D too, so that your texture will never overlap. Let's do UVW for this simple box. Let's add some cutting mark. Try to select mark where unfold is easier. After selecting the edges, press Convert Edge Selection to Scenes. Now select any polygon and then press Expand Polygon Selection to Scenes. This will select all the polygons that are covered by the cutting marks. In this case, the whole object is selected. Let's look at another example. Here, the cutting mark is different. If we follow the same procedure, we can see it selected all the polygon inside the cutting mark. Let's continue with our first object. Press Pelt Map, press Start Pelt, then Start Relax, and finally press Commit. If you can't see what happened in here, simply go to Tools, Pack UVs. Here you can see the UV of our object. Right now it's slightly rotated, so let's rotate the UVW. And here our first simple UVW is complete.